Prabhupada wanted us to memorize Sanskrit verses for various reasons. One is, when we memorize the verse, then we understand the theme. Also, when you repeat the verse, the people, those who hear, they become impressed. They see that you are not just saying something off your hat. You are saying something which is a solid substance. And I have seen that it's very impressive when devotees recite verses, quote verses. I remember when I first came to the temple, I joined the temple, when I heard these American devotees quoting Bhagavad Gita verses and speaking, and it was so impressive. It seemed like as if they memorized the entire Bhagavad Gita. And it's so impressive that the Americans quoting Sanskrit verses. After all, our main business is preaching. What is preaching? First we accept, then we offer. Preaching means giving it to others. But in order to give it to others, you have to first have it yourself. Therefore, this assimilation is very important, which is called apnana, to make it your own. The knowledge is there in the books. But if the knowledge is in the book, it's not. In Sanskrit there is a saying, pustakastha tuja vidya, parahastagatam. The karjakale samutpanne natad vidya natad. The knowledge that is there in a book and the money that is in somebody else's pocket doesn't have any value. At the time of necessity, that knowledge or that money will not be of any use. So try to make an effort, make a little effort. You all are so intelligent people. You'll be able to very easily memorize. And this will also make you very fixed up in your spiritual life. Because these words are not ordinary words. These are the words from the spiritual sky.